A steering wheel is your primary contact point while driving a vehicle, where you press the flesh mile after mile, so you want it to look and feel great. Covers are ideal for protecting your steering wheel from wear and tear, disguising cracks and other damage in older cars, supplying extra grip and comfort, or even providing warming and cooling features to make handling a hot or cold steering wheel more tolerable. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best steering wheel cover. So let's get started. Number 5. Valley Comfy Leather Steering Wheel Cover. After slipping the Valley Comfy Leather Steering Wheel cover onto the tiller of the CR-V, my first thought was luxury car. The genuine leather has a high-end look and feel, and is a pleasure for the palms. It fit the CR-V's 14.5-inch steering wheel like the proverbial glove, but was a bit of a stretch and struggle with the Saturn's 15-inch helm. The Valley Comfy is a little heavier than other covers I tested, but that didn't affect steering feel. It provided better grip than the other covers and gripped the steering wheel the best, although I wonder whether the leather would absorb dirt and sweat over time. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. segdirect Black and Gray Microfiber. Maybe because the segdirect Black and Gray Microfiber Universal 15-inch steering wheel cover came from Amazon tightly shrink-wrapped, I had to wrestle with it more than the others to get it to fit on the CR-V's 14.5-inch wheel. Even with it stretched out a bit, it was a struggle. Slipping this cover onto the 15-inch wheel of the Saturn reminded me of the adage like socks on a rooster. But I liked the muted black and gray look, and its feel was second only to the leather Valley Comfy, although for the same price you can have genuine leather instead of faux leather. It also weighs a bit less, but that didn't make an appreciable difference. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Julian Bling Bling Diamond Steering Wheel Cover. If you want to add some style to your ride, the Julian Bling Bling Diamond Steering Wheel Cover has you covered. It's made of faux leather, with rhinestones rimming the outer surface that fit flush with the cover to eliminate snagging on, say, a ring or bracelet. It's larger than most other covers here, so installation is easier, and the manufacturer says the rhinestones provide a massage for the hands. But the bling cover is not recommended for hot climates, since the fake stones can get hot, and chances are they'll become loose over time and fall out. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Sharper Image Cooling Gel Cushion Grip Steering Wheel Cover. I was intrigued by the Sharper Image Cooling Gel Cushion Grip Steering Wheel Cover since I spend part of winter in southern Baja, where 80+ degree days and hot car interiors are common. At just over 15 inches in diameter, it was the easiest cover to install out of all the ones we tested, but even though it's the second lightest, it has a somewhat bulky feel. The cooling gel feature worked great when it's not hot out. But it works in reverse and gets uncomfortably warm on hot days. Within the first few minutes before the car interior cools down, I felt like I had continuously sweaty palms. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Vulcan Microfiber Leather Viscose Steering Wheel Cover. This steering wheel cover is made of synthetic rubber and viscose, a silk-like material for a smooth feel. Vulcan says the cover keeps your hands warm in the winter and cool in the summer, and that it's breathable and will absorb sweat quickly. It has a unique hollow woven design and comes in 15 different colors to match any car's interior. Its universal fit design makes it ideal for larger steering wheels, although on smaller wheels it could be loose-fitting, and it's the heaviest cover in this list. That was our list of the top 5 best steering we'll cover just for you. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance.